We divide 758 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 3 is 6. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 5 and it is 15. 2 times 7 is 14. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 8 and it is 18. 2 times 9 is 18. On subtracting we get 0. So 758 divided by 2 is 379. So this much for today and thanks for watching.